So, hello guys. Today is day 6 of our n8n automation course. So, today we can proceed with the practical session in n8n itself. So, in the previous session, we have studied about Gmail automation, and on the day 5, I gave a workout for doing the Gmail automation. So, I think only 3 to 4 people did it and submitted to me. So okay, today let's proceed with the AI automated HR workflow for analyzing the CV. Okay, so what it basically means is, what is CV? CV is also resume. So resume is like when you are applying for a job or you are going to introduce you to someone, you will resumes, right? So what and all this resume should will include? Can anyone tell or give in chat box? Okay. So this is typically a resume. What resume includes the name and what profession you are doing and what are the stuffs you are, what are the skills you have, what you are doing, about your contact informations, and what are the education where and all you have studied. This is a yeah, this is a so I'll show you another one resume also. This is a ATS friendly resume. Okay, there is no photos or anything linked in this. This is a ATS friendly resume. These type of resumes are only used in companies for shortlisting in interviews. So today, what we are going to automate from this is, every companies will have a person called HR. What is their role is, HR full form is human resource manager. So what is their role is to shortlist you when you are submitting a resume or a job application to any company. The company HR will shortlist your um, resume, and next they will be having the interview. So from this, if it is a manual process, there should be a 1 to 5 HR managers in a company for shortlisting, and they should do everything manually by checking all the documents or resumes manually. By checking it, they should analyze you and they should give the summary of it. So what this HR automated workflow is going to do is, there is no steps. If you are sharing the Google form to your applicants, if they fill itself, this automation starts and it will search your personal data and qualifications, and it will summarize the data, and after that, eh, which type of person you need, you can set in this. Like if you are you need a junior developer or a senior developer from Java or Python, you need to set this in it, and after that it will analyze and it will show a star rating also, how much for your qualification. If a company is setting a qualification, like the person who are uploading it, it will show it a star rating also, how much he is suitable for this job. Like that, it will show the summary and what are the things it is analyzed. It will it will be stored in a Google sheet. So I'll show you an example how it is stored here. So here you can see I have uploaded this resume and checked it. So from this, it gave me what as 3. What I told that to analyze is, I told it we are a web agency and we are looking for a full stack web development who asks how to use PHP and Python and JavaScripts. Okay, this is the prompt I'm giving to the automation. So what it will do, after the submission of form itself, will start doing it. So after uploading that resume, I got a response in this, like they are getting the vote 3. That means out of 5 their star rating is 3. And here you can see the candidate possesses skills in Python and JavaScript which are required. But what it is telling, however, they lack experience. PHP, they are not familiar with PHP, and they don't have experience also. Their academic background is strong, but the lack of professional experience and geographic mismatch significantly distract from suitability of this role. Why it is telling so? Geographic mismatch, because in this I told that the person should be from northern Italy. You can see here the person should be from northern Italy. I have mentioned in it. So it is telling that geological mismatch. So from this itself we can understand, right? It is tell in this resume, if you see, the person told that he is having ideas with only Python and Java. You can see here, right? But what is our need? We have told it, right? We need an Java, PHP, and Python. These three requirements we have set it. But he has only two, that is Python and JavaScript. So in the final analysis also, it is telling that the candidate possesses skills in Python and JavaScript. However, they lack in PHP. So from this itself, you can understand that how much they are eligible for your job, or how much it is their performance in it according to your performance. So from this you can understand that how this HR automation platform is working. So if it is a manual way of doing selecting the people, what are the things that is gonna be happen is, first they are getting the information from the clients, from the applicants, and after that a manual filtration is started from first procedure to up to four filter they are making. After that only they are conducting the interview. So how long it takes? It takes 5 people's working time, and it almost take 1 hour to analyze one people's document. But if it is automated with this n8n, within 1 minute or 5 minutes, it can analyze a person and it can give you a result. So today we are going to see about how to automate this process, how we should do this workflows from the beginning, from scratch. We are going to see it. So first I will explain what are the workflows I have included in this, how it is filtering like that. I will explain it first. First, here you can see form submission is asked. So um, if you share this form itself, they can give their name, email, and they can give their upload their resume in this itself. So after that, what it is doing, after the submission is done, this workflow is automatically beginning, and it is extracting the CV, that is resume file from the form. And after that, it is splitting it to two separate things. What separating is personal data and qualification. This will filter personal data of the applicant who is applying for the job role, and the next one filters the qualifications of the applicant. So here, how it is filtering that, you may wonder, right? For that only we are using a ChatGPT, a AI model, that is ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Walalama, etc. What are the things a chatbot is that we are using it? So here you can see, here we have integrated Google Gemini chat model here, because if you are integrating with ChatGPT, it costs for you and you should pay a subscription for the API keys. So I am using here as Google Gemini chat, which is a free module with 1.5 Flash version. So after the splitting of this personal data and qualification, it's merging the two things. Again it is merging, and again it is going to a summarization chain. So what this summarization chain actually does is, it will analyze the things, what are the things you are giving, everything it will analyze in this by the use of ChatGPT, an AI model, and it will forward to the next stage. The next stage is profile wanted. This we can manually set. I have said that we are a web agency and we are looking what are the job vacancy or something you are looking for, like that you should set here. And Already I have said like full stack web developer who knows how to use PHP, Python, and JavaScript, and he has experience in the sector and lives in northern Italy. Like that, I have given. I can change this in any time so that it is easy for any companies to do it. After that, again we are giving a evaluation with voting system in this node. Again we are getting the information of the applicant, and we are separating it, and again we are summarizing here, and what are the job vacancy or what are the wanted list we are telling it here, and again the summarization takes place for it, and it gives the voting system. After that, what it is doing, after analyzing everything, we are telling it to store it in Google Sheets, that you can see here, right? So I think you have understood about this workflow, right? If yes, can you give plus one in chat, or can you give any reactions? Please give plus one so that it will be interactive for us to study it. Come on, guys. So okay, let's start with that. So now from scratch, we are going to see how to automate this. So okay, I have created a new workflow. Guys, please do it by yourself also. Inside, you switch on your laptop and try to do it in a practical way so that you will get it. Otherwise, it is very tough to understand what are the things we are doing. If you are seeing it, it will be difficult for you to understand. Or now, if you are not able to do so, we will be uploading the recorded session also in the YouTube and share you link, so you can see that also anytime, and you can try to do it. If you are having any doubts, you can DM me, or you can give your doubts in your group so that it will be easy for us to reply you. So okay, let's start from the scratch. Okay, first what we have to do is, as I already told, we have to get this form. Like Google form, it is, this form is provided by n8n itself. So first we have to get this form to be created in our workflows. That is the first step. So how to do it? Go to this plus icon. Wait. Create a new workflow. Go to this plus icon. Go to this on form submission. You go inside this like a tab appears here, and from here you can set the name of the form, or what are the things you have to have it in the form, you can set from here. So here I'm giving the form's name as send a CV or upload CV. I'm setting the name of the file. After that, I'm adding the elements. So if we give add elements, here you can set the things what and all you need. First, I need the name of the candidates, right? So I'm giving name. I'm giving text. It type as text itself, and I'm telling it it is a record field. And again, I'm moving to the next field. I need the Gmail of the applicant. So I'm giving email, and in element type also you should give email, because if you are not giving email, if they submit the wrong Gmail also, it will validate. So if you give Gmail now, it will search like if at gmail.com is present in the Gmail which the candidate is trying to give. So you should give email as the element type, and you should make it required field. And next one, uploads. Next one you can give us CV. upload resume or CV, resume slash resume, and you should select the element type as file because they need to upload the file, right? So you need to select it as file. And what is the type of for in which format do you need the resume? You have to give. I just give it as .pdf. So only PDF files can be submitted. I'll give a required field. That's it. The form is ready. So for testing it, just give execute step so that you can see. You can see here, right? This is the form we have created till now. So okay, let's go to the next thing. Let's go. And next, what we have to do is we should get the file from the form, right? So what we should do? We should add a node called extract from file. Just search in it, will get extract from file I'm giving, and it is asking from which format you have to extract. So we gave that as PDF, right? PDF file we are extracting. So I am telling that extract from PDF itself. So that's it. Try executing this step also. Like I'm giving a sample entry. Yeah, the form is submitted, and here you can see the file is also extracted. You can see here, right? Yeah, the file is also extracted. So next, what is the process? Yeah, here it is not, this node is not running because we need to give the file name, right? So what we should give, what is the file name we gave it there? CV. From which part of the form I should take it is asking. So we should give CV slash resume. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it is extracted. Can you see what are the things they have given in the Google form? Not yeah, in n8n form we can see what are the entries that are given, what is the time, and every stamp is given here. You should give the name, this name CV. If you give a file name something, you should give the file name here. Okay, so we can see that the next step is also done. After that, what we should do, we got the details by the user form, we extracted the file also. Then what we should do, we should separate the personal document and qualifications in both separate way, right? So what we should do, give plus, go to AI, and here you can see an information called information extractor, right? Click on that. Here the first information extractor, what we should do is I will rename it into personal data because we are going to extract only personal data. So I'm renaming it to personal data. After that, in text, what we should do is, here you can see a thing called text. Because why you should give the text? From the PDF give they have uploaded this module, take the extract the text from the PDF itself. So what we should do, just drag this text into here. So what is happening, the text that are given in PDF, it is extracted to this thing. So again, what we should do is, we should type, we can give it in automatic also first, but what is a preferred thing is define using JSON structure. So this is preferred. Okay, and this prompt and all I will give you, I will send you in WhatsApp. Yeah, I have sent you the prompt file in WhatsApp. You can check it out. From that, what you should do is go to the first code I have given here. What this code is about, it is just a simple code. You can get in ChatGPT itself. Just go and type in ChatGPT that I need a JavaScript program of extracting the uh, person's personal data. Okay, so what I have given this is type I'm giving and object I'm telling, and properties I'm explaining that get telephone from the from the PDF uploaded, and its type is string, right? If it is a email, you should give email. Then what you should, I asked, get the city also, city from the file, and again the birth date. Only this birthday, only this much are we need in personal data. So I'm giving this code, copy pasting into this. Here itself manually can type, right? Type in state, or we should type what is the required thing. Like I think so. We can drag it from here itself. Okay, that's not possible. So just copy paste the code here and give execute step. Yeah, okay. You should select the model first, then only it can be connected. So next, what we should do? We should get the um, qualification details also in a separate thing. So again, I'm taking a information extractor node, and I'm telling renaming it to qualification. Okay, so I told you that without code also we can get data, right? So now I will in this qualification node, I will explain you how to get it manually without any code. Okay, so after getting this, just the same way you can first you should connect this node connection, and with this same connection itself you should connect this node again. So only if you are getting this in, you can get this input. The same thing you have to do, drag this text to here so that it is extracting the text from the PDF. And again, here what you should do is select from attribute. In this previous personal document extraction, we have given that a JSON schema, right? So here, for manually doing it without any code, give from attribute a description itself, and here you add attributes. So first the name, okay, right? So what we need to extract, the educational qualifications we need to extract. So I'm giving it as educational qualification, and the type is string, right? Yeah, same as string. And in summary, you have to give like how they should give the educational qualification, how it is, it should extract the educational qualifications. Like that we should give it in here. So that also I gave it already in that PDF I have shared with you. So copy some, like what it is saying, summarize in 100 words. It is summarizing by the use of chat model. It is trying to summarize the data given in PDF. So we are instructing that chat module to do this summarize of your academic career, focus on your and I'm telling it to summarize it in 100 words. So go here, give in description and mark it as required, and again add attribute. Same thing I have given in a document I have shared you also. Just copy paste it. If you are doing it in your own way, you can give the summary or something by your own, or you can get it from ChatGPT also. Okay. So the next one, skills. Okay. After pasting everything, mark it as required. and come back, get to back. Okay, now our form, after submitting the form, it is extracted and the data is also separated, right? After this, what we should do? First we will just put the uh, just import every node to it. After that we can connect to the chat models. Okay, after that what we should do? Connect a merge. We should merge these two documents for summarizing it, right? So we should merge these two document. So what I'm going to do is go to plus icon, go to flow, and I'm telling it to merge. What I'm telling in mode, what we should do? Combine. We need to tell it to combine. Why we need to combine? Our job is to combine these two documents, right? Two extracted things, personal data and qualification. We need to merge the two things. We are telling it to combine by all possible combination, because the every things that are extracted should be merged together. So I am telling it to merge by all possible combinations. Yeah, that's it. Here you can see. Then what you should do is connect the nodes. Personal node should be in input 1, and qualification should be in input 2. Okay, so good, right? After that, what we should do? Extracting the, no, summarizing the data, right? So for that, what you should do is go to the plus icon, go to A. Here we are going to use artificial intelligence use, right? So go to AI, and here you can see a option called or node called summarization chain. Just import it. Before giving the details, you should wire it up. So place it here and connect the merge node with this summarization chain. After that, again go inside it. Here you can see what is the way it should summarize. We should instate it, right? So again I'm going with the code way. Okay, using JSON. Every code is given the document I have shared with you, so please refer it, or if you're doing it in your own also, get it from ChatGPT. So the next thing define below, and how it is asking in how much character I should summarize it and everything. You can give it in your own. After that, in add option, I'm giving summarization method and prompts. Okay, I'm adding this because I need summarization in a personalized way. Okay, so here in individual summary prompt, what I'm giving is same thing. What are the things I need? That, like, in first, just copy this and paste it here. Okay, if it is not coming, yeah, it should be like this. But now here you can see this JSON file that is imported from the previous one, it is not showing it in greens. So what we should do? We should make this previous node active so that the summarization will happen and the input is coming from that. So what we should do? From here itself our execution stopped, right? So what we should do is select a AI model, or I told you already. First, we can make every workflow to join together, and after that, we can import. I told you, right? So we'll make it first. So now what happened? We separated the datas and we merged it, and we added summarization chain also. After that, what we should do is I told you about profile identification, right? So what we should do, what this option should do is, what are the qualification you need for your company or job sector, we should tell that to this workflow that I need people who is doing full stack or development or AI developer or something. We should instead for that what we should do is we need a data transformation node, which is edit field node. Okay, just will give the make the workflow first together. After this what you should do, again I told that summarization with this related to this job title, it is summarizing again, right? So again I'm going to take a summarization node. Import the summarization node. Yeah, the screen is visible or not? It's not visible. Okay. Now it is visible. Give +1 in your chats. Okay. I think it is visible. I can see it in my other device. Okay, I'll continue with it. So in this, the summarization also added, and after finally what we should add is the Google Sheet thing. So what we should import sheets, Google Sheet. The summarization should be created in should be visible in spreadsheet. So I am importing the spreadsheet node here. So in this, what you have to append or update row in sheet. This permission I have to trigger. I should submit. Okay. From here, this every node we have created. Okay, everything we have created, and just we need to give the credentials access from this to do it. So first, for which and all this AI chat model is needed is for this one, and for this and for this. For this four options, we need a AI agent to do it. So if we include ChatGPT, it is we should pay for it. So I'm importing Gemini itself. Just type Gemini in search, and you will be getting Google Gemini chat model. So import it. Connect the API from this, and here what you should do is go to Gemini 1.5 Flash model. If you go for Pro model, it will be asking you charges. So just go to 1.5 Flash model. Yeah, keep it in sender and connect everything, every nodes. Yeah, the no every nodes are connected, right? So now start running the okay. Now start running these nodes. Yes, that also run. Yeah, this two node is running now. Merge node is also running, and from here you can see these four nodes are running. 1 2 3 4 5 5 nodes are running, and here the summarization chain is we need to run this. So give run for this node also. It also ran successfully, right? So these much nodes have been imported, and it is running through using Google's API Gemini key. Okay. After that, the thing is the main thing. What we have to give the prompt in which field we need the employee, or we need to filter the applicant. We should do. So go inside this edit fields and just tell that we are manual mapping it. In that field, give profile needed or job category needed, given it and give the value in which category you need. So that prompt is also already given here, I think so. Yeah, here we are. We are a web agency and just copy paste it, or you can give your prompt in which basis you need to your company. You can give the prompt here and give execute step. Yes, this node also started running, right? Yes, almost we are there to the end. Only two nodes we need to set it up again. Those setting the HR expert node is somewhat no. Here itself we didn't do it correctly. You can see in summarization chain what you should do. Here I told you that this is not imported correctly, right? So delete everything. Yeah, here what you should do. Already the variables are here, right? Go to extract from file. Hmm. From personal information only, we already told this class summary classifier node to get the personal information separately and qualification separately, right? So here you can see how we need to summarize. We need to summarize according to the qualification and personal data. So in city, what you should do is drag the city and just paste it here. And here you can see it came in green, right? So it is able to access it. So next one, what is it? Birth date. Same thing, you should extract it here. And again, qualification, educational qualification. Same thing, you should paste here. Job history. Job history. And next one, skills. What are the skills? Yeah, we have set up the first summary node, right? The next summary node, we have to get the same thing, just the same thing only, so no need of doing it again. Just give execute step. Yeah, it is done, right? Final prompt to combine. Copy paste the same thing here, guys. That's it. Same prompt we should do there and here. Same thing. Again, same thing. It is not importing by. Sometime if you copy paste it, it will import automatically. So if it is not doing it, so you should do it manually. Same thing. City. City. Birth date. Educational qualifications. Job history. Skills. Yeah, we have set it up and give execute step. That's it. We have combined this everything, and now we should set. And this also we have already set, right? Only this summarization node is left. The last summarization node. How to do that? Is, go inside it, go to extract from file, go to summary, go to execute step, and now we should get the same thing. Go inside it, go to extract from file, go to summary, go to execute step, and now we should get the same thing. Go inside it, go to extract from file, go to summary, go to execute step, and now we should get the same thing. Go inside it, Here we should add a output parser also. Just give simply select structured output. That code also I have given you in this document. This last one. Just copy it, paste in this. That's it. After you should set up this. Go inside it. This code which I used here is already given in this document. Just copy paste it. That's it. JSON profile needed. So where is profile needed? We told that in this qualification needed like entitled job cat needed, right? So import it here. Okay, it is green now. And from summarization chain, we should import it here. Output of summarization node. Yes. Now this is also have been set. That's it. Now run this. Yeah, everything is running perfectly. And here again we need to get the Google Sheet credentials. So I told you how to set Google Sheet credential in the last class itself. If you didn't know it, you can. I can explain you again also. If you need it, give your plus ones in chat, or you can see the last uploaded video also of last day's class on class updated in YouTube. You can see that also for knowing how to get the credentials. If you need to explain it now, give plus ones please. Yeah, okay. I think everybody knows it how to do it. Okay, that's good. And if you are having doubt also, you can refer to the old video. I'm going into here. Just I'm telling in which account it is and from which document you should do. Connection. Create a spreadsheet in your Google spreadsheet first itself. So I have created it as CV analyzer. I'm going back, give select CV analyzer and give the list sheet 1. And here it is showing that map each column manually. You can do it as manually also, because if you do manually here you can see it is not in everything. Summarization is in the same row or column. If you are doing it manually set up, you can set manually everything, what are the skills they are having, everything in a manually you can do. But for now I'm giving it, I do it automatically itself, and I'm going and I'm telling it to execute the steps. Yeah, that also executed. And now here you can see it is executed and it is showing the output, right? Good. Our job to do this summarization automatic HR node is done. Yes. Now you can see an example of doing this. Just I'm giving execute worksheet and here it appears the form and I'm giving it location 123 at gmail.com. is not visible again. This problem. Yeah, okay. I'm executing this step and I'll show you how. And I'm uploading the resume and give submit. That's it. The node automatically have initiated and everything is happening. You can see it, right? See, within 5 seconds this node have completed. If it is doing it manually, it takes 1 hour for single person. Here you can give any how much ever applicants you can. See, it just did it in the 5 seconds, not 5 seconds actually. Actually, it is 3 seconds only. It gave the result in 3 seconds. Here you can see how it gave the result also. What it told, same thing I have uploaded a resume, so it is showing this. So let's check with other resumes. Just I will download a resume from Google and we will check from that. We told that it should be in PDF, so I'm converting it into PDF. Okay, the downloaded file is not an JPG file, WebP. Okay, we have downloaded it. So I'll try to do. Try to do it. Just I'm executing this step, giving name as Raja. Upload the CV and just give submit. That's it. It started and it is showing that there is a problem in node qualifications. This is because the resume we have uploaded, right? In that there is no qualification. Only experience is there, right? You can see from here. Only they told that experience of him and education of him, but he didn't tell what is the qualification he did or something. So there is a mistake in that. So it is not showing that it's saying error. The same thing in that resume also. The same problem is there. We'll try with another one. And we'll try to submit it. Yeah, this resume is having the every things, and the workflow is also done. You can see it here, right? It has been done here. So here in Google Sheet also it is updated. He's having skills in JavaScript and Python, but not in PHP. It is updated here also. So our workflow is has been done, and analysis process done within 3 seconds, less than 5 seconds, right? In 3 seconds it is done. So from here you can see how this n8n is helpful for automating something